Hi, good day, everyone. This is your girl, Flawlessly. Happy New Year. Wow, it's been a long time since 2023. I've not been, a lot of things happened 2023. In 2023, thank God we are here again in 2024. I am here to say thank you for all the beautiful comments, for those checking up on me. I love you guys. And for all those that have not replied your messages, I am back. Flawlessly is back. You will be seeing my video. I'll be dropping my video back to back. Okay, yes. Last year I went through a lot. I will not bore with my story. I stayed away from cream, lotion, and all of that. Sometimes we go through some stuff that we don't understand, and my face went that bad. I told us before that I had this burnt here, so like those burns. I'm not hiding anything. I will say the way it is. I left it because I work under the sun. I work in the field. Okay. So what happened was this: after some months, my face went that bad, as in bad. I had people, I had everything. People were like, Flawlessly, what happened? I said, okay, Flawlessly, it's time for us to work on this face. I got this cleanser. This is called Lotion. Leo cleanser is a cleanser. It's made in Cameroon. And it's written here, rich in pro-vitamin A. Eliminates black spots and slow the aging of the skin. Yes. If you have sensitive skin, I will not advise you to get it because it contains alcohol on it. But I am telling you here for free that it worked well on my face. Okay, now let me show you. You can see this remaining days. It's helped cleared my sunburn. This one is stubborn. You can see it's fading. This is fading. It started peeling. And let me show you my spot. It's fading. You see, today I said I will show you everything as Happy New Year. So if you're suffering from sunburn, this dark corner, dark eyes, pimples, I recommend this. Get Leo Lotion. Try it. Come back and share your reviews with me. And for those that have tried it, tell me how it worked on your face. Okay? Because I'm still using it, if you can see. And this is my first bottle. Honestly, this is the first one I'm using. It's not the second one. So I will leave this for you. Go get it, this exact one, because we have different type of Leo. But get this, use it, come back and share your testimony with me. Don't forget to check my other video and see anyone that will be of help to you and your friends. Take care.